we are going to do the rationalization again. So this is the typical rationalization problem that you're going to do in algebra class. Well, in these kind of problems that you want to eliminate the square roots from the denominator. To do this, we will use an algebraic formula that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So to rationalize the denominator in this case, as opposed to the other problem we have solved in the other video, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by under the root x minus under the root y. Remember that to rationalize, we simply multiply the numerator and denominator by the term containing the roots with the sign between them changed. In this case, we had x under the root x plus under the root y, and so we needed to change the plus to a minus. So now back to the problem. Here's multiplication and division. As you can see, it's a plus b into a minus b, so we can just write it as a square minus b square, multiplying the numerator terms, and then we're going to divide it by under the root x square minus under the root y square. So it's the same as a square minus b square. We can cancel out the square root with the square. And the result is going to be 3xy, parenthesis open, under the root x minus under the root y, parenthesis closed, divided by x minus y. Well, note that the results will often be messier than the original expression. However, as you will see in your calculus class, that there are certain problems that can only be easily worked if the problem has been first rationalized. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to make the problem more complicated in order to work with it. That's it for typical rationalization question. For more, stay tuned and subscribe. Goodbye.